Benvenuti! Welcome to Italian for Beginners. I'm your Italian teacher Sarah and today I'm with a new video. You will love this video because it's all about lovely or beautiful. 10 ways to say beautiful in Italian. Let's begin. Bello, beautiful. Bello, beautiful. Now let's move on to our next phrase. Splendido. Splendid in English and splendido in Italian. Splendido for the masculine and splendida for the feminine one. We will add a in the end for the feminine one. Meraviglioso. Meraviglioso. Marvelous for the masculine one. Meravigliosa for the feminine one. Incantevole, incantevole, enchanting, enchanting, incantevole, bellissimo, very beautiful, bellissimo for the masculine one and bellissima for the feminine one, very beautiful. Stupendo, stupendo, stunning, stupendo, stunning. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, then please subscribe it for more helpful videos like this. Grazioso, graceful, grazioso for the masculine one and graziosa for the feminine one. Luminoso, radiant. It also means light. Luminoso, radiant. Ravvivante, ravvivante, invigorating, invigorating. Please like the video if you like it. Amabile, amabile, lovely. Amabile, lovely. Please subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. Languages with Sarah. Thank you for watching this video. Ciao, a presto.